All right, so next we're going to run through the programming as it's set up right now. The project isn't completely finished at this point for the training, so we're just going to run through all the drip zones that have been set up to this point, because the sod zones that we have on the project are still awaiting sod. So for right now, since the controller isn't hooked up to the Wi-Fi, we're just going to go into offline programs and settings, and then hit offline programs one more time. So I have all of the drip zones set up right now on program A. The watering days for that are Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday, so 4 days a week. Their start times are at 6 a.m. in the morning right now, and we're just running each valve only once per day that it's scheduled to run. The zones that are on that, you hit edit zones, are 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11 are both pop-up zones. 12 is a drip zone, 13 is a drip zone, 14 is a drip zone, 15 is a drip zone, 16 is a drip zone, 17 is another pop-up zone, and then 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22 are all drip zones. So there's a lot of drip zones on the project, but it makes it simple. We run each one for 40 minutes once a day, 4 days a week, and that is pretty standard for right now. For next year, you'll want to keep that same watering schedule for all of the zones for the first year. After the first year, we typically like to cut it back to just 3 days a week, 40 minutes per zone. That's pretty standard for the rest of the life of the project.